Hello guys, as you can see we are at Epcot now. We did Tiana's and then we called it quits at Magic Kingdom because we did everything we wanted to do. So then we went back to the hotel, we got changed, and then now we're at Epcot because we are going to ride Guardians, and then we're gonna hop on over to Hollywood Studios and get something for dinner and hopefully ride Rise. And then I'm not sure what we're gonna do, so we're gonna see where the rest of the night takes us. But I hope you guys enjoyed coming along on opening day of Tiana's and everything that we did, and I hope that when you guys come to Disney on your next trip, you guys can enjoy the new ride because it's absolutely amazing. We loved it both times and definitely would recommend.
What song do you want on Guardians?
I want Conga. It's the last song I need, so I'm gonna cross my fingers that we get Conga. What song do you want?
One way or another.
No.
It's the best song.
We want Conga. He wants Conga. That means Conga.
No, it's one way.
We also have to check out the new Communicore Hall area with Mickey and Friends and the Encanto stage show. But yeah,
Fun.
yeah, we're gonna have an Epcot Hollywood Studios kind of night. So let's go.
This plan is never gonna work. Rocket! Well? Okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Rex!
Good.
Conga, 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 Conga.
Was useless to follow me. What is that noise?
No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing. What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
Big bang! Generator! We're ready.
We have him contained, but not for long. My world would have been perfect.
Yeah, well, nobody's perfect. Who names these things? You're all heroes.
Did you see how they dress?
Okay guys, we just got off Guardians and we got Conga, which was the last song I needed to be able to say that I have gotten every single song. It's pouring right now, but I really liked Conga. No complaints from me. I think my favorite song, honestly, I like that one the best. It was like a party. It was like a party in there. So
It was really fun. I think I've had, what did I have? Everyone Wants to Rule the World. I got that twice, and then I got Conga. That one's my favorite.
alright, we gotta try to brace this. Hold on. We gotta go. She's saying everybody's gotta go.
I know, but all the way in, all the way out, my friends!
Oh, it's pouring.
Okay, sure.
Yeah! To the Conga, no, you can search that for me. Yeah. Guys, we made it to another covering, but we are completely soaked. Yeah. What is it doing?
This is probably the way I'm moving the camera lens.
We're gonna keep on moving. So I was telling Logan that I feel bad for all the people that have been waiting to get on Tiana's and they were so excited for it to be at nighttime because it's pouring and I'm not sure when it's gonna stop. So, guess there's nothing anybody can do. I'm just so thankful we already did it. And, you know, Logan, you look cold.
I'm fine. We might not be able to go to Communicore.
No, I'm thinking we save that for another day.
Yeah, so if you're looking forward to
then
that.
we're back in the porn. I'm gonna have to put this phone away or else it's probably gonna break. But we're trying to make it to the bus so we can go to Hollywood Studios because our night doesn't end here.
Nope. We get to do more.
We want to go on rides. I didn't get the Epcot ball, so quick video of the ball. Okay, now I'm really putting it away. We're gonna keep the video rolling and see where we end up. Alright guys, so we made it to Hollywood Studios and we're looking for the Inside Out 2 Anxiety plushie. So we're in the Pixar store. I see a wall over here, but I don't see her. I don't see anxiety.
I'm having anxiety to find anxiety.
Does that many people really like anxiety? Like I try to like not have anxiety, you know?
Look at the cute Wally over there.
I know, in the Eve. We got the Wookie cookie here. It's an oatmeal cookie with vanilla frosting, looks like. That's gonna be yummy. My beautiful chicken tenders and fries. Southwest chicken salad. Some kind of bacon burger. I think it's mac and cheese and fries. Yeah. Alright guys, so we are getting ready to go on Rise. It says 45-minute wait, but we say it beats sitting in the rain. So we're gonna do it anyway. I have no idea what I just said. We ate at the Backlot Express store.
What?
What is it? Backlot Express place
I
to
don't
eat.
know, I got a cheeseburger.
Yeah. We ate there for dinner and it was good. And we're going on Rise. It's cold. It's still raining. We're going on Rise. Okay, we're in the tunnel. Much better. Most of the queue's inside. That's what I was trying to say. Most of the queue for this ride is inside, so that beats standing in line for another ride that has an outdoor queue. So we're gonna wait the 45 minutes to go on Rise. And then, I don't know. We'll see where the rest of the night takes us because the rain is pretty much still going. So
It's gonna be so cold inside of here.
we'll see how long it actually takes to get on Rise. But so far, it's probably going to be 45 minutes.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should we be in flight prep?
All the way across, recruits, all the way across. We gotta get you all on fire.
It's the IWE Snatch Crisp. Resistance Skies. This ship's now under the command of the First Order. We'll exit and head down the right corridor for processing and interrogation. Yay!
Why are you listening?
Yes, General. Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Okay, it's my favorite part. It's so cold. It's freezing.
You guys really like cutting it close, don't you? Okay, you're clear.
Hey, your door's stuck. Why is that always a thing? Whoa, whoa, slow down. There, see? I told you it wouldn't be a problem. All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for.
Down at the wreckage site.
That doesn't sound good. He was the backbone of this operation. If anything happened to him,
Scans last show him in Sector 4.
should have waited for him.
Sir, you had no choice. You had to get those data tapes off the ship.
We never leave anyone behind.
Alright guys, so it stopped raining and we just got off Rise. It only took us 26 minutes from getting in the queue to getting like onto the ride, even though it said 45, so I was really happy. But it was freezing in there because we're so soaked. We're going back to the hotel, we're gonna change, and then we're going back to Magic Kingdom so we can see Tiana's at night. And so we
Haunted, right?
yeah, and so we can do Haunted Mansion. But I'm glad because it stopped. It's kind of like drizzling, but it mostly stopped raining now. So hopefully the rain holds off for the rest of the night. And
I'm just saying, if you guys are gonna come to Disney for like a day and do Park Hopper, just hit the big rides. I mean, it's been a beautiful day, and we just did the big rides.
wise words from Logan.
So, if
right.
you learn anything from these videos, that's what you should
Do the big.
do the big rides.
Okay, sure. That's not gonna make it into the trip. We're going back to the hotel so we can change. So let's do that. Let's get to the hotel because I'm so wet. I'm ready to be in dry clothes. Look how pretty the sky is.
Eye of the tiger.
Eye of the spider. Alright guys, ignore my hair. This is change number 3 for today. We're going to Magic Kingdom now. We are leaving the hotel. We're trying to make it to the next bus because after that, another bus doesn't come for 20 minutes. And we have 3 minutes to get there. So we gotta start moving. Let's go. Alright guys, so we made it back to the Magic Kingdom. We are back.
And we changed.
I already told you that. But Happily Ever After is going to start in 5 minutes. So we're trying to make it through the Emporium. And we're going on our way to Haunted Mansion. And I'm not sure what else we're going to ride. But we're just going to have some fun. It's almost 9:20. So I did not think we would be back here. But clearly we are. So
I tripped.
Logan doesn't know how to walk over the train tracks on Main Street. He walks in them.
I thought that's what.
Yeah, where is everybody?
Wait,
it's like no one here.
I feel like this should be packed.
Diving in with the hearts wide open. The story comes alive.
Okay.
Getting ready to go on Haunted Mansion. Posted 13 minutes, but the lightning lane did open, so we'll see.
Of a rat. Call in the spirits wherever they're at. I do.
They have selected you to fill our home. They'll haunt you until you return.
It took my head.
We're gonna go try to finesse our way onto it.
You just let me down. Come on.
Alright Alright guys, so we just looked at Tiana's Bayou at night. We're really not sure what we're doing. It's 10 o'clock. We're going to where?
Dole Whip.
Going to look for Dole Whip. And then we're going to Pirates since it's only 5 minutes. So let's go get some Dole Whip. At night. Well guys, we got some Dole Whip. I got vanilla. How's your Dole Whip?
Good.
This one's my favorite.
Yeah, this one's pretty good too.
Like that one. Is that pineapple swirl?
Yeah.
Pineapple swirl. I gotta eat mine because it's gonna melt.
You gotta see that.
Okay. We just finished our Dole Whip and now we're going on Pirates because it's a 5-minute wait. And we're gonna see how many times we can ride it before we get sick and tired of it. You ready, Logan?
I'm ready.
How many times do you think that we'll be able to ride it?
4.
Things 4. Okay. I'm gonna say 5. Just because I want to be one better than you.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see.
Okay, let's try the ride. Okay.
Hey, send them hints to Davy Jones. It's the rum they want.
Weigh anchor now, you swabbies. What be I offered for these hearty hens? Everyone an egg layer.
Not lest they be late.
What do you want, Captain Jack Sparrow? You'll never find the treasure without a look at this here map.
Round 2. Get Logan wet. Come on.
Surrender, Captain Jack Sparrow, or my thunder.
Round 3.
Run out your white flag, you scurvy skull, and bring me Captain Jack Sparrow, or I'll be sending you to Davy Jones.
We will never surrender.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Round 4. Just in case. Tell me all the info. Okay, right there. Alright guys, so that concludes our night here at the Magic Kingdom. It is past 11 o'clock. We got to ride Pirates 5 times today, so since I won, Logan has to buy me something out of the gift shop.
No, I won. We rode it 4 times.
We rode it 5 times today.
4 times at night time.
I don't think he specified what that meant, so
Y'all need to comment down who won because we did 4 times since the challenge started.
And he said 7, so yeah, as you'll see in the video, he said 7. Definitely says 7. And now it's time to make our way back out of Magic Kingdom. Since we are one of the last people in the park, we had a really fun day today going on Tiana's Bayou and doing all the Princess and the Frog things, and Epcot, of course, and Rise, walking through the mist. Oh, and getting poured on earlier. That was fun. And seeing Happily Ever After unexpectedly and seeing Tinkerbell fly. So it's time to call it a night though. And if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below for more travel adventures. Goodbye, castle, and good night.